For making fun, do you want to change your voice on your iPhone? Well, changing your voice on your phone is fun, but now to do it, you need to get help if using other apps from the App Store. To do that, open App Store, tap Search, type Voice Changer. Now you can find many apps that can help to change your voice. Here, for example, I'll choose this app Voice Call Changer Audio Effects. Now install it. Tap Open. This will load. Now try to record something that you wish. After that, you can find here several options to choose. Choose the one you want. In every audio you can hear is 3 dots. Just tap here. Tap Saves, and the audio will be saved on your iPhone. To find this, open File, tap Browse, tap Back, tap on My iPhone, scroll down, tap Voice Changer. Here you can see the audio. So that's how you can change your voice for fun. Now, still, if you have any questions to ask, please let me know.